How to change your background picture on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your background picture on Wattpad app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Wattpad app. Now go to the home page. Okay, let's go again. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go to the top corner again and click on this gear right here. Now you will have many options here. Choose the first one, which is account settings. Click on it like this, and now click on the background picture and you will be able to add it from your gallery. It's very easy to change. All what you have to do is tap. As you can see, it's written right here, tap to change. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.